Let's take a look at two new PC builds, Fort Desert and Fusion F5. This build focuses on Intel and Nvidia components. It features a delidded Intel CPU cooled by EK Velocity² Direct Die CPU block and an Nvidia RTX 4080 Super GPU, cooled by the EK Vector² GPU water block. The EK-Quantum Velocity² Direct Die Core Edition is specifically built for Intel LGA 7000 socket CPUs. It has a clear acrylic top with a D-RGB lighting and a black anodized aluminum design inspired by Intel's stock coolers. It also includes a die guard to ensure perfect contact for top performance. The EK-Quantum Vector² GPU block is designed to improve heat management with a shortened block design, better O-ring for coolant flow, and higher performance thermal pads and paste. It cools the GPU core, VRAM, power stages, and other key components with a backplate that provides passive cooling for hotspots on the PCB. This build uses EK-QuantumX Loophole Distroplate. The Distroplate can be configured however needed with various ports available for customization. It also houses a D5 pump with an EK Quantum convection cover, two slim 420mm radiators with EK-Loop FPT fans, handle cooling, connected by custom hard tubing and EK Quantum black fittings. This build is centered around AMD components. It features a delidded AMD CPU cooled by EK Velocity² Direct Die CPU block and an AMD GPU cooled by EK Vector² GPU block. Both cooling blocks have a sleek, matching metal finish around the acrylic glass, giving a setup a cohesive look. The EK Quantum Velocity² Direct Die is specifically designed for AMD AM5 sockets and delidded Ryzen 7000 CPUs, including the X3D models. It's engineered for direct die cooling with a custom cooling engine that fits perfectly over the CPU chiplets and the I/O die. The chip design is also engraved on top of the acrylic glass block. It includes a die guard to prevent the PCB from bending and making unintended electrical connections. This EK Quantum Vector² is made for the latest AMD RDNA 3 graphic cards, tackling heat issues under heavy loads. It cools the GPU die, voltage regulator, VRAM, and memory cache dies. The cooling engine is rotated 90 degrees for optimal performance with the chiplet design, and the coolant flows first over the graphic card's core and then the memory, ensuring all components receive consistent cooling. The anodized aluminum backplate adds passive cooling and makes installation easier with pre-installed screws. The build also includes two EK Quantum Surface 360 radiators with EK-Loop FPT fans for cooling and EK Quantum Kinetic combo unit with a D5 pump. Custom band tubing and gold EK Quantum fittings complete the build, housed in an Inwin case. Hope this build sparked some inspiration for your own.